BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick update video. If you are still waiting for the new Bing search with the ChatGPT chatbot. Now, by this stage, most would have seen the new Bing search. I think that is now basically rolled out to all regions. And I think the big one here is that there are some who are still waiting for the new chatbot, ChatGPT. And as I did post a couple of days ago, if you are still waiting for Bing with ChatGPT, Microsoft has announced, and I'm quoting this, that if you're on the waitlist, just hang tight. As we said at launch, we intend to scale to millions of people beginning in the coming weeks. We're only 1 week in now. That was a week or two ago when I posted that video. So we are a couple of weeks down the track and down the line. And because of this, if you are still waiting for the new Bing with ChatGPT, yesterday in my region, Microsoft has recently tweeted over on Twitter, and I'm quoting this once again, lots of new Bing waitlist approvals over the last few days, and our systems are holding up well. And Microsoft carries on to say in that tweet, this means that they will keep pushing the approve button today, which was the 27th of February, which was yesterday in my region. So if you're still not seeing the new Bing chatbot, ChatGPT in your Bing search, then just be patient. As I did mention a week or two ago, it is on a controlled, phased, staggered rollout. And I have seen a couple of comments from viewers of this channel who previously didn't receive the new Bing originally, that they have now started to get the new Bing with the ChatGPT. So obviously now, as Microsoft says, their systems are holding up, as there has been a massive waiting list for the new Bing ChatGPT. And as I have mentioned as well, your first point of call is to make sure you join the waiting list. If you don't join the waiting list, you are going to wait a lot longer to receive the new chatbot ChatGPT. Now, with that all out of the way, just to do a quick recap, if you have missed a couple of my previous videos, just to give you some other quick updates that Microsoft has been making to the new Bing over the last week or so. The new Bing now has an increased daily cap and supports a total now of 100 total chats per day. So you can now, that's been increased from 60 to 100 total chats per day. And also the new Bing with ChatGPT is now available on Edge. That's the Edge browser, the Bing app, and the Skype apps if you are using iOS and Android. So that's for mobile devices. You can also get that now with Edge, Bing, and Skype on those platforms. But just take note that that is still on a controlled rollout. And Microsoft taking a whole phased, staggered approach with this. But as mentioned, they're saying lots and lots of more approvals taking place over the last 24 hours. And then just something else to take note of, we are expecting new tone controls to roll out, as I posted on a couple of days, which will appear in this section on the Bing Chat GPT homepage, so to speak. So that's also now rolling out, where we could be getting some tone controls, which are currently in preview in Edge Canary as part of the side panel, which we are still not seeing yet in the stable version of Edge. The new Discover, although it's got the new Bing icon, it still is the old Discover, where in Edge Canary, as I have posted on, that's now the new Bing search, and that's with ChatGPT. So Discover has become the new Bing in the preview versions of Edge, but it still hasn't made its way to the stable version as yet. And I'll leave all relevant videos down below to just give you a quick recap in case you missed those, and I'll leave those down below in the description. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.